Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling to grow your Instagram followers, today's video is going to change everything for you. I'm going to show you how to get over 100,000 real followers asterisk using 3 easy steps. It's a method I've personally tested on my account, and it works like a charm. Make sure to watch till the end to see the full process. Let's jump into step 1. Turn your Instagram account public. To do that, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Account Privacy under the section Who can see your content. If it's set to private, switch it to public. This is a crucial step because a public account allows more people to find and follow you. Now, for step 2, visit the RXGEM website. This site is secure and reliable. Trust me, I've tried it, and there's no risk to your account. When you're on the site, just search for Instagram in the search box, click on it, and wait a few seconds for the verification page to load. Step 3. Complete a quick device verification. Don't worry, this step is super simple and only takes a few moments. Depending on your location, you'll need to finish one of the provided tasks, like confirming your phone number, verifying your email, or downloading an app or game and using it briefly. Once you're done, the verification will be successful and you're ready to start gaining followers. Now for the exciting part. Watch your follower count skyrocket. The numbers will rise fast, and before you know it, you'll have over 100,000 followers on your account. And that's all it takes. Just 3 simple steps to gain massive followers. Don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to turn all these followers into profit on Instagram. See you in the next one.